Whoa, check this out, Pi Network fam. 1 billion Pi coins just got moved into a liquidity pool. This is huge. Let's start with this interesting article from Crypto Times. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your one-stop shop for all things crypto. Today, we're diving headfirst into 2 piping hot Pi Network updates that you absolutely need to know about. Get ready for some serious alpha because things are about to get interesting. In a major step forward, the Pi Network ecosystem has taken a major leap by transferring 1 billion coins to a dedicated wallet. The main purpose of transactions is to create a liquidity pool which will make transactions easier for users, known as pioneers, and provide new opportunities for developers. Okay, so we're talking about a massive injection of liquidity here. 1 billion coins. This is clearly a strategic move by the Pi core team to get this project ready for prime time. Liquidity pools act as shared resources that simplify trading and exchanging assets, eliminating delays and reducing price fluctuations. For Pi Network, this development ensures that pioneers can now make faster and smoother transactions without worrying about waiting times or a lack of available coins to trade. Exactly. This is all about making Pi more usable in the real world. Think about it. Faster transactions, less volatility. This is what we need to see if Pi is going to be a serious player in the crypto space. This is a huge step towards mainstream adoption. Guys, imagine being able to use Pi to buy your morning coffee or pay your bills. With this increased liquidity, we could see a whole ecosystem of Pi-powered apps and services popping up. This is incredibly bullish. Think about the potential here. We could see Pi integrated into payment gateways, online marketplaces, even brick and mortar stores. This is how crypto goes mainstream. Developers can use this liquidity to create exciting apps and services within the Pi network, making the ecosystem more useful and innovative. Companies can now use Pi for transactions and partnerships more easily. Developers can create advanced financial tools and apps that run on Pi. This is where things get really interesting. We're talking about a potential explosion of DeFi applications built on the Pi network. Think decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, yield farming protocols, NFT marketplaces, you name it, the possibilities are endless. I've been saying it for months now, and I'll say it again. Pi Network has the potential to disrupt the entire DeFi landscape. With its massive user base and focus on real-world utility, Pi is in a prime position to become a leader in this space. Imagine a world where everyday people are using Pi to access financial services, earn passive income, and participate in the decentralized economy. This is the future that Pi is building. All right, let's move on to our next article from Hoka News. As you can see here, the headline reads, Pi Network prepares for Mainnet launch. Could Pi coins see a price surge? The Pi Network's price has remained relatively stable in recent weeks. While this sideways movement may appear uneventful, it could signify a period of accumulation as the network approaches its highly anticipated Mainnet launch, expected in the first quarter of 2025. The Mainnet launch is a critical milestone for the Pi network and its community of millions of pioneers. Okay, so the Mainnet launch is the big event everyone's been waiting for. This is when Pi truly becomes a decentralized blockchain open to the public. This is when we finally get to see what Pi is truly capable of. But here's the thing. Initially planned for December 2024, the Mainnet launch has been postponed by the Pi core team to early 2025. The delay aims to ensure that more pioneers have the opportunity to complete their Know Your Customer (KYC) verification and migrate their tokens to the mainnet. Another delay. I know, it's frustrating. We were all hyped for a December launch, but it looks like we'll have to wait a little longer. But honestly, I think this is a good thing. It shows that the Pi core team is committed to doing this right. They want to make sure everyone has a chance to get on board before the mainnet goes live. Look, I get it. We all want to see Pi Moon. but a rushed launch could be disastrous. Imagine the network getting overloaded, transactions failing, people losing their Pi. It would be a nightmare. By taking their time and ensuring a smooth transition, the Pi core team is setting the stage for long-term success. This is a marathon, not a sprint, people. Out of over 18 million users who have completed KYC, only 8 million have successfully migrated their tokens. The Pi core team believes that launching the mainnet without achieving a higher migration rate would be inequitable to a large portion of its community. This is a crucial point. The Pi core team is prioritizing inclusivity, which is something I really admire. They want to make sure everyone has a fair chance to participate in the Pi network. They're not leaving anyone behind. If you haven't completed your KYC or migrated your tokens yet, what are you waiting for? Head over to the Pi Network app and get it done. It's a simple process, and it's essential if you want to be a part of the Pi Network's future. You don't want to miss out on this incredible opportunity. Now, let's talk about the juicy stuff. Price predictions. The recent assistant to head of US trading at Fendel sent us this note. PiCoin's price could be preparing for an upward move, potentially revisiting its 2024 high of $121. The current phase of consolidation may represent a buildup of momentum before a significant breakout. $121. Can you imagine? That would be an insane return on investment for early Pi network pioneers. And with the mainnet launch and increased liquidity, I think it's definitely within the realm of possibility. I'm bullish on Pi, guys. With the mainnet launch on the horizon and this massive liquidity injection, I think we could see a serious price surge in the coming months. This is definitely one to watch. I wouldn't be surprised to see Pi hit $200, maybe even $300 by the end of 2025. This is a project with massive potential. The mainnet launch has the potential to be a watershed moment, not only for PiCoin's price, but also for the broader adoption of the Pi network. With its focus on decentralization, accessibility, and community-driven growth, Pi network could carve out a unique position in the ever-evolving cryptocurrency landscape. Couldn't have said it better myself. Pi network is poised to become a major force in the crypto world. It's a project that's truly putting the power back in the hands of the people. I'm incredibly excited about the future of Pi network. This is a project with a real vision and a passionate community. I believe Pi has the potential to change the world, and I'm all in. This is just the beginning, folks. The best is yet to come. What do you guys think about these Pi network updates? Are you as bullish as I am? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future crypto analysis. Let's build this community together. And as always, this is not financial advice. Do your own research and invest responsibly.